Mina no Nihongo Vocabs Lesson 8. Hansamo na. Handsome. The na at the end of some adjectives indicates that there are na adjectives. Keiyodoshi in Japanese. Na adjectives require the particle na when modifying a noun directly. Here is a brief explanation. Na adjectives. When used before a noun, they need na to connect them to the noun. Example, Shizuoka na machi, a quiet town. I adjectives. These adjectives end with I and do not require an additional particle when modifying a noun. Example, Takai biru, a tall building. Kirena, beautiful, clean. Shizuoka na, quiet. Nigiyaka na, lively. Yume na, famous. Shinsetsu na, kind. Genki na, healthy, sound, cheerful. Hema na, free, time. Benri na, convenient. Sticky na, fine, nice, wonderful. Uki, big, large. Chisai, small, little. Atarashi, new. Furoi, old. Yoi, good. Waroi, bad. Atsoi, hot. Samoi, cold, temperature. Tumitai, cold, touch. Muzukashi, difficult. Yasashi, easy. Takai, expensive, tall, high. Yasui, inexpensive. Hikoi, low. Omoshiroi, interesting. Uishi, delicious, tasty. Isugashi, busy. Tanoshi, enjoyable. Shiroi, white. Koroi, black. Akai, red. Aoi, blue. Sakura, cherry blossom. Yama, mountain. Machi, town, city. Tabimono, food. Kuruma, car, vehicle. Tokoro, place. Ryo, dormitory. Benkyo, study. Shikatsu, life. Oshigoto, work, business. Shigoto o shimasu, do one's job, work. Do, how. Dona, what kind of. Totemo, very. Amari, not so. Use with negatives. Soshite, and. Used to connect sentences. Ga, but. Ogenki desu ka? How are you? So desu ne. Well, let me see. Nihon no seikatsu ni narimashita ka? Have you got used to the life in Japan? Mo ippai ikaga desu ka? Won't you have a cup of? Mo desu ne. It's already, isn't it? Sorosoro shitsure shimasu. It's almost time to leave now. Mata irasate kudasai. Please come again. Fujisan, Mount Fuji. Bewako, Lake Bewa. Shanghai, Shanghai. Shichinen no Samurai, the Seven Samurai. Kinkakuji Temple, Golden Pavilion. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe at Japanese Learning Hub. Jamata!